My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Now let's look at some airdrops and their listing dates. Starting with Tomarket Airdrop, we've got 20 days to go, and this means that the TGE is going to be on the 31st of this month. Here are a few things you should start doing immediately. First, understand that your airdrop amount is going to largely depend on your level. So if your level is low, make sure to start leveling up quick, okay? And one fast way you can do that is to always go to this section, okay? This section here gives you the opportunity to earn Tomarket points and stars, okay? And don't forget, stars are necessary when it comes to leveling up, okay? Always spin these stuffs daily to earn stars, and once you've gotten the stars, you can use them to level up. And one more thing, okay, don't forget to click on this, okay, to claim your free Tomarket points here, okay, on a daily basis. Okay, I've claimed mine for today. And what else? Don't forget to do your tax, and of course do the other things like playing the drop game, this one right here, and solving the daily combo. If you've not joined my Telegram group, ensure to join. The link is going to be in the description. We pushed the daily combo there. And the next one that's going to be dropping this month is Memefi. The date has not been announced yet, but we know it's going to be happening in the second half of this month. Okay, so that means anything from the 16th upwards, we should be expecting the TGE, ladies and gentlemen. There are a lot of things to do here to help you increase your points. But I'm beginning to have some issues with this project, and the issue I'm beginning to have with it is that almost everything here now requires you to make some kind of transaction. Why is it that these airdrops these days can no longer airdrop without asking for a ton transaction or to buy one or two things? It is becoming annoying. I think the purpose of airdrops has now been defeated, but we are gonna keep pushing it, okay? It is what it is. Don't forget to have your Memefi wallet funded with ETH on the linear network. I've got a video about this. If you've not seen that video, it's gonna be linked in the description of this video. And some people were asking me, is this Memefi premium worth it? Okay, because the Memefi premium qualifies you to participate in their Lambo giveaway. Well, here is one thing I can tell you. The moment you qualify for the Memefi premium, here is what you will notice. If you go to the shop section, okay, it is loading, you notice there is now a different shop where you can get more tickets for the giveaway. And this I find a little bit annoying, because here now you can get 10 more tickets, get 50 more tickets, 100 more tickets, and see this, even 500 more tickets. So the more tickets you get, the higher your chances of being becoming the winner of the Lambo. If you check how much it's going to cost you to get this much stars to buy 500 tickets, you would know that there is no way Memefi is even going to airdrop that amount to you. So what's the point? Well, I'm not discouraging you. If you're interested in doing this, it's totally going to be your decision. What about Holdcoin, ladies and gentlemen? The team says the TGE is soon. There is no specific date yet. Okay, so keep farming and start tidying things up in preparation for the TGE. And there's one interesting task you could do right away, and that is adding this symbol to your Telegram username, and that's gonna help you farm better, okay? And finally for this video is the major airdrop, okay? The TGE is going to be soon. Also, we don't have a specific date for this, but we do know that the major rating ends in about 8 hours 23 minutes, judging from the time of filming this video, as you can see right here. Okay, so once this ends, maybe this is gonna just kickstart the TGE process. We do not know, but one thing you should not forget to do is to always log in. If you fail to log in a single day, you are going to notice that a reasonable number of your points would be reduced. Okay, so to avoid that, ensure to log in daily and of course complete your tasks. Go to the end section and complete all the necessary tasks there. Okay, so and that's it for this video. We're gonna keep you posted. Don't forget that we've got our Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description. We did make a poll a few months back regarding going live on this channel, and a high percentage of you agreed to that. So we are gonna start that this Sunday. Okay, we're gonna start going live and we're gonna be discussing crypto related stuffs and how to make money in the crypto space. It is not all about airdrops. There are other more important ways. Okay, if you want to learn them, make sure you are subscribed and mark your calendar. This Sunday we're going to be going live on this channel. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for this video, and this brings our bees and so that can sign it off for now. Let's go.